Okay, now we see the next organization environment over there, right? So environment means like outside the organization usually. So environment, when I'm talking about environment, so it is usually outside. You can also see the inside, but usually environment means so organization and environment have a reciprocal relation. Reciprocal means, for example, two-way. Reciprocal means two-way relationship between organization and environment. Okay, so if reciprocal means like two ways. So
Okay.
organizations are open to depend on the social and physical environment. Okay, so it is depending on the social people and the physical environment. Okay, how is the physical environment? How is seating chairs over there? How the people are have a meeting over there? Is there any meeting arrangement for it or no? Is there any social gathering for or no? So organization can influence their environment over there, right? Environments generally change faster than the organization. So environments are like changing more faster than the organization. Now see, the environment has been changed. See, now it changed the organization. Many organizations, they are working from home. So now this pandemic is environment basically, out external factors over there, and it changed the organization structures now. Now some people are taking classes from home. You are also taking classes from home. So before you are going to the university, library, different places over there, but the environment has changed faster the organizations over there. So information system can be an instrument, and who helped us in this change environment? IT, information system, help can be an instrument for environmental scanning, act as a lens over there. So this helps a lot. The information system helps a lot when there is a change in environment.